Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane. Today I went out in my garden because we are really warm here. It's going to be like 91 today, and I thought there's probably going to be some radishes ready, so I better get them pulled because they don't like this heat. Just got done picking my radishes. This is only a partial crop, and today we are going to be making some pickled radishes. This will be fun. I've never done this before, but I can't eat all these by myself. So I thought, let's pickle them because they'll last in the fridge for a long time. I got a nice bunch here, and I thought, what am I going to do with them all, because I'm the only one that eats them. So I looked online. I thought, well, there's got to be some recipe, some pickling recipe that I can use. So I found a really simple pickling recipe, and I wanted to share that with you today. And if you are interested in it, you can go in the description box and get that recipe and try it. Let me know how it does for you, and let me know what you do with your radishes when you have so many. I'd be interested to know because I like to try different things. We're going to clean up the radishes, cut the radishes, and then we're going to put all the brine together, and then I'll take you through the process, okay? Let's get started. All right, I went and rinsed these off outside, but I'm going to have to clean them up again. But the first step, I'm just going to be cutting them like so and putting them in a bowl. From there, I'll wash them up again, get them nice and clean. So I'll get this done, and then we'll come back. So I weighed these out and I got a pound. The recipe calls for half a pound of radishes. I'm going to have to double the recipe. So the first step is, after you get them all clean, you just need to slice them in 1/8 inch slices. You don't have to be precise on this, just get them sliced. And if you have something to help you slice, that would probably work much better. And you just place them in your jar. Just be a little bit and we'll get these all cut. I'm kind of excited about this. I love anything pickled. Pickling my cucumbers too, and they make the best pickles. They're just wonderful. So maybe I'll be able to get hubby to like these. What do you think? So I almost got a quart, and I'm pushing them down a little bit, and they're probably going to float a little bit once I get the liquid in here. But the next step is, let's get everything together, and then we will bring this to a boil. Place radishes in a hot, sterilized 1 pint jar. It says 1 pint, but see, we doubled, right? Bring vinegar, sugar, water, salt, spices, and bay leaf to a boil in an enameled saucepan. So we got our bay leaves in there. So I'm doubling the batch again. So I need 1 cup of vinegar, 5% acidity, 1 cup of sugar. I am using organic pure cane sugar. 1/2 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, and then we're going to mix it up. Then I'll put it on the burner, and then we'll bring this to a boil. So simple, right? But mix it up real good first, and just kind of be watching it once you bring it to a boil. All right, I brought it to a boil. I'm just going to throw it all in. I don't know if we're supposed to take the bay leaves out. I'm not going to. About a 1/2 inch to the top. Check it out. But isn't that pretty? All right, ladle it hot pickling liquid over the radishes. Wipe the jar rim, center the lid on the jar, apply the band and adjust to finger tight. Let cool on the wire rack about an hour. Chill 6 hours before eating. Store in the refrigerator up to 4 months. Or so we'll just let that cool down, and then from there they'll go in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on pickling radishes. Now, there was good reviews on this, so I'm hoping you like it. I hope I like it, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching today, and again, I'll have the recipe in the description area. Take care. We'll see you later. It's time to go out in the garden.